Me again, Shani, and now we're here in Carmen, together with the youth. This is Claudine, say hi. This is Mayumi, the beach girl. And this is the Trixie, ang babaeng mababang lipad. And it's and they are the youth sensation. And now we're going to Trixie's house. I don't know where is this. I think this is not a Carmen na. Nanay nagkayo dito. Look at. Excuse me. Look at that one. Sunog. Awa mong giagianan sa very stinky. There's lots of dirty out there. What kind of municipality is Carmen is? Look at that one. Oh, there's lawa over there. Oh, lawa. Hello, lawa. Agir-agir. And this is Talilit, the Hinager. Violation man siya. Unsa ay unsa?
Paginganan sa series diha.
Kada yon.
Nanda pita. Nya dayon. Kanang ang balay sa amigo ni Veron kay.
Wala sila mga truck na wayo gasolina. Muna sila ang sikuan para sa hotel si Bradley. They are so sweet. But at least nakagita og sugar cane. Sa katam is, nalinlang sila. So, muna si Tonton, muna yung asawa. And si Daddy, the lovers of mine. That's all. Kaya si Yogyog, mga ni Claudine. Nakana si Punky, smile. First runner-up na ni siya sa hard track. Nakana mo na minibus. Minibus. Ito ako istorya kapuya Look at the ambulance. The ambulance is coming now by sword. Huwag nagdali, huwag magdali. Ay, napunta ni siya. Oh, mana siya. Wala ko naman sila eh. Say hi everybody. Louder. I can hear you. Say abre. Ismada mo eh. Tarit ito kani ka makita. How sweet. I love you. Sabi ka nakikita na ba kang Peter gabi na? Nalukot na bukid oh. It's akuan. Nice kayo ang Carmen Coral. Smile oy. Smile kuya, smile. Like door. Smile. Ayaw. Sige, last shot. Sige, bye-bye na, bye-bye.